Welcome back, everyone. Beautiful day outside today. Today we're going to be working on the AMT here. We've got to fix a couple things, and we're going to put some tail lights on it. So first thing we got to fix is this hydraulic down in here. When I had that big load of stone on there the other day, this cheap bracket that came with the hydraulic, it bent, so we got to replace that. I'm just going to weld a new one together and then put it on there. And then back here, we're gonna put some tail lights right under here. We got a piece of angle iron. Gonna cut it 6 or so inches long, bolt it on there, and then we got these little red lights. Gonna put 2 of them on each side. So we'll have 4 lights back there. Got a new switch, and then some new lug nuts, because I was missing one. I think I'm just gonna put all new on, that way they're nice and shiny. So we're gonna get started. Take that hydraulic off first. Alright, got that pin out. I was struggling to get the cotter pin. There's our bracket. That side's all bent out, and then this one's all twisted. Both twisted actually, so we just got to undo that bolt there and then weld a new one. Alright, got this piece of metal right here. I think I bought it when I redid my AMT brake. I had to re-weld the pedal, that way it worked, because they didn't work when I got them. So I'm gonna get this cut here, and then gotta mark through the side pieces here, but I'm cutting the bottom first. Started cutting with this instead. The DeWalt wasn't doing too good, so I had to get a Milwaukee out. Okay, there's another piece, just need one more. Alright, got my pieces ready to weld here. I think I'm just gonna put one on each side, kind of like that. And then the hydraulic should sit right down in there. Got this 90-degree here, stick it on there. That way I got a perfect angle here once it's welded. There, something like that. That's how. And then I'll get the other one on the other side and then get this hydraulic back on. Alright, we're going to get this welded. I put a bead on this side just to hold it, and I'm going to get the middle welded first. Alright, got that welded. Then we're going to get this outer part welded. And we'll get the other piece on there. All right, we're gonna get our piece drilled here. Got it all welded up. Just need a hole right there in the center where my thumb is, and then one straight through each side. That way we can, the pin goes in the top here, and then the middle one's bolted in. So we'll get those drilled. Okay, got the holes in it, all three of them. Now we just gotta put it down in there and hook the hydraulic back up to it. Alright guys, got my bracket done down here. Bolted in, hooked up to the hydraulic. So we're ready to go. Thought about getting another hydraulic, but I don't know how well it'd fit down in there. Cause this one's already tight as is, and I got all these wires and this little electronic piece for this in there, so probably won't get one yet. We got other stuff to do on it first. Alright, we're out here with the AMT seed spreader. We're going to spread some seed all along this, get some grass growing in here better, and maybe around the other sides of the pond where there's just dirt, not much grass growing. So alright, got everything spread out there around the pond, and it's supposed to get some rain tomorrow, so hopefully rain on that seed a little bit and help it get going. But we'll get this AMT loaded up and get out of here. Over there eating lunch. Okay, it's the next day. I'm gonna start putting my lights in here. Got these little lights here on Amazon. I'm gonna put 2 of them in each of these metal pieces. Got the holes marked already. And then they're 3/4 inch, so I'm gonna put a 3/4 inch hole in there with the drill press. And then we'll need to put a couple holes here on this side to bolt onto the AMT. So that's what we're doing. Alright, got my holes drilled. Got these 2 bigger ones here for the lights and 2 smaller ones for the bolts. These are what the lights are gonna look like in there. 2 in each. Then they should fit on there nice. I'm gonna paint them John Deere green here soon to match. So it'll look good. Logan's over here working on the trailer. You guys will have to stay tuned for the next video to see that.
John Deere green, folks.
Okay, our brackets down here are getting painted. Paint's drying on them right now. But next thing I'm gonna do is take the bed off this. That way I can get down in here and wire it up, bolt it on better, have more room if I take it off. So then I have Logan come over here and help me with it. All right, got the bed off. Took the 2 back tires off over here. And I'm just gonna trim some of this plastic here. That way I can drill some holes in this. That way I can get to it from the side. And we'll do the same thing over there, wire them up, we'll be good to go. Hi guys. Okay, got our holes drilled over here on both sides. Broke my drill bit in half, but we made it through there at the end. So my other bit I had is about shot. Seemed like it wasn't hardly drilling. So next thing gotta do is bolt on our brackets. I'm gonna need to repaint the one after drilling. I don't even know where it went. There it is. Got some damage. I should have drilled the holes before I painted, but you know, I wasn't thinking. So I gotta repaint that, you know. Like he said, I'm new at this fabrication. I don't know if you guys heard him or not, but I haven't done a lot of jobs like that. Dang, son. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Check them out. Wait for my paint to dry for this other side, but that'll look good. We're twisting the ground wires together, then we're gonna pop them in here. Put them in that loop. Then put them on before I put this nut on the other side of this bolt. That way we're grounded good. Yep. Okay. You need heat shrink, torch. Let me grab pliers to crimp that. I got pliers on this tool. Yeah, you need better leverage. Whatever. Dude, trust me. Trust me. You've been doing this a lot of years, haven't you?
Well, you want it tight, okay? Red pliers down there. Too much leverage, but it went.
Nice.
Okay, just heat it, shrink it.
Okay. Too much?
Mm-mm.
I know.
These can take quite a bit.
The wires can't. They're Amazon wires.
Yeah. There it is, folks.
Good deal.
Then you're just gonna ground it on these bolts over here. You might need to, if it's touching the bolt, it might be alright. I don't know. You might have to take some paint off there. You'll have to just.
Okay, got one side wired up here. Let me show you guys. If I can find my 2 wires. Sorry about the camera work. Right there. Boom. Just like that. Then I'm gonna run this wire from this side, then we'll connect wire come from the switch over here. We'll have tail lights.
Excellent.
Okay, got them all wired up. They still need to tighten down, but let's try them out.
Let's see them. Whoa, man! Woo! Can't beat that.
You like that?
I like that.
Perfect.
I mean, just imagine cruising down the road.
Let's see you cruising down the road with the American flag on the back.
Yep. Steer's easy, I'll tell you that.
I wonder why. Probably because your front tire's not on the ground.
Oh, it's not? Yeah, that's gonna be slick. We got big plans coming up for this. Stay tuned.
Okay, get the plastic trimmed around this light. Then gotta do the other side. Get the wheels, tires back on, get the bed on, and we're good to go. All right, got them all done back here. Think they look pretty good. I'm happy with them. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Saw everything about the AMT, spreading some grass seed and fixing my hydraulic on my bed, and now some nice tail lights. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. It's dark out now, so figured I'd show you guys the AMT tail lights at night. They're pretty bright. I'm impressed with them. Can't beat good Amazon lights.